Hey there, my name's Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to customize the receipts in the Commerce Hub. Let's go. I'm going to start off on the Commerce Hub for my store Classic Video Game Central. I sell online as well as in my physical retail location, and I'd like to customize my receipts. Click Commerce, and then click Settings under the Payments column. Now click the Receipts tab. There are a bunch of options that you can customize. Some of these options are for digital receipts, paper receipts if you have the smart terminal, or both. In the first section, you can customize the footer for paper and email receipts. I'm going to add a message that thanks the customer for shopping at my store. In the next section, you can upload your logo for digital receipts. Your logo will not display on printed paper receipts. Click Upload Logo and locate the logo image. In the next section, you can add store contact information such as phone number, email address, store address, open hours, and website link. You can move the slider to the right if you want the information to match your owner contact info, but I'm going to manually enter it. There are also fields for your store's Facebook and Twitter if you have one set up. In the right column, you can decide what receipt options you want your customers to have when making purchases using the Smart Terminal. There are 4 receipt options for the customer-facing screen on the Smart Terminal: No receipt, paper receipt, email, or send text. You can turn these options on and off by adjusting the sliders below. Once everything's the way you like it, click Save. It's nice to have the ability to make things your own, even if it's just the receipts. I'm Darlene, and I hope this helps you out.